Configuring Debank gas fee estimation is a straightforward process that helps users optimize their transactions on the Ethereum network. To begin, it is essential to understand what gas fees are and why they are crucial in the Ethereum ecosystem. Gas fees are the costs associated with executing transactions on the Ethereum network, and they are paid in Ether. First, navigate to the Debank platform and log into your account. Once logged in, click on the settings icon and select gas fee estimation from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the gas fee estimation configuration page. On this page, you will see several options for configuring your gas fee estimation. The first option is to select the gas price unit, which can be set to either GWE or WE. GWE is the most commonly used unit, and it is recommended for most users. Next, you will need to set the gas limit, which determines the maximum amount of gas that can be used to execute a transaction. The gas limit can be set manually or automatically, depending on your preferences. It is essential to note that setting the gas limit too low can result in failed transactions, while setting it too high can increase costs. Another crucial option is the gas price tier, which determines the priority of your transactions. There are 3 gas price tiers: low, medium, and high. The low tier is suitable for non-urgent transactions, while the high tier is recommended for time-sensitive transactions. To configure the gas fee estimation, select the gas price tier that suits your needs and set the gas limit accordingly. You can also set a custom gas price if you prefer. It is recommended to use the automatic gas limit feature, which adjusts the gas limit based on the current network conditions. In addition to configuring the gas fee estimation, it is also essential to monitor the Ethereum network conditions to optimize your transactions. You can use the Debank network dashboard to check the current gas prices and adjust your settings accordingly. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively configure Debank gas fee estimation and optimize your transactions on the Ethereum network. This will help you save time and reduce costs, making your experience on the Ethereum network more efficient and cost-effective.